So guys, in replacing timer, we must need to remove the cable from the motor, then install the timer, then power up the circuit, then we will do a simulation first. When we adjusted it within 0 to 3 seconds, that is the time for you to put everything in normal, so that we will be able to avoid the burning of the motor coil windings. So I'm going now to call the engine room 59. Hello, control room! Paki-switch on dyan yung circuit breaker ng number 2 forward moving winch. Now the engine room started the motor power. So we will see here. I'm going to switch on now the power here. Okay, once you switch on, there is power available here. Then we are going to start this one. Once again, start. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'm going to start now. Start. Oh, now start. 1, 2, 3. See? And from here we will look the Y and delta connection, okay? Once again, stop. 1, 2, 3. This is delta first before Y. It is reverse, so we are going to interchange the connection here. I'm going to switch off this one, switch off this one, and then switch off this one. So you see, because I use different timer, the number here are different, so we can interchange the connection between 16 and 18. You see? Okay. From here I just connected 20 to 16 and 16 to 18. So I'm going to interchange this one. Once we are interchanging this one, we are able to do a simulation, and we are expecting that this will be activated first, the Y, before it takes on a delta. So the first simulation I did is delta first before Y, which is wrong. So I'm going to interchange it now.